This is the timbers at Edgemont Highlands. We're getting ready to go into one of the structures that's being built here to do a rough framing, rough plumbing, rough mechanical, and a green tag inspection. We look at the structure of the building, you know, does the foundation support the first floor? Does the first floor support the second floor? For egress, you got to measure in a sleeping room for egress windows to make sure in the event of a fire they meet code. You can get out through the window by a prescribed size. Checking the span on the second floor floor joists. Make sure that the structural members that are in place are large enough to support the span. We look at with the plumbing to make sure the venting system all ties together. We make sure the correct fittings are used for waste, so everything flows directionally where it should. Since the pipes are all plastic anymore, we look for the steel nail guards to prevent puncturing the plastic when they are doing the framing or go to put the drywall in or whatever. We check those for pressures to make sure they will hold the pressure of the water and vent system and waste system. We look at the mechanical to make sure the venting for the furnace, the combustion air for the furnace is run to the outside, so we don't have any issues with carbon monoxide in the building. Check for clearances to make sure that in fireplaces that the draft stopping is there, fire blocking between floors, and it drops ceilings, so if a fire is in a wall cavity, it can't transfer floor to floor through a concealed space. Just all of the nuts and bolts of making up the house.